one last thing. Yes, courts are trying to protect the vulnerable and women particularly. But the courts in our legal system are actually, we are following the common law tradition, and we have this adversarial system where courts have very limited powers. And although the family courts has been given many powers, but still it works within that framework, and it cannot do a lot. As far as the Muslim Qazi was concerned in Muslim judicial system, he had so many powers, which even today in almost half of the world where inquisitorial system exists, the judges have those powers. And just recently, just last week, we were in Jordan, where we visited the family courts and the courts of appeal and the superior courts, and we came to know that the judges there still have those powers which the Muslim Qazis had, for example, during the Ottoman Caliphate, although the names have changed, but still they have those powers. Some of the judges have been specifically assigned the duty to protect the vulnerable, Huquq al-Qasirin, as they call it there. Qasirin, those who are not able to protect their rights. It is the duty of the judge to protect their rights. It is the duty of the state to provide them justice and to protect them. And then another interesting thing which we lack here in Pakistan and which is badly needed here is a forum for reconciliation. Well, this is true, and this helps a lot if the court gives quick decisions and quickly dissolves the marriage. Sometimes it is very much needed for the vulnerable party and the wives, particularly battered women. But sometimes, rather most of the times, it would be even more important to try conciliation. Although the Supreme Court in many judgments have given recommendations and guidelines which the courts have to follow before dissolving a marriage, but all these are just guidelines, even if given by the Supreme Court of Pakistan. There in Jordan, for example, there is a special office called Al-Islah Al-Usari for family reconciliation, and they said that there are two kinds of cases which go there. Some are mandatory, some are optional. Optional are those which people take their disputes to. The women goes there, or the husband goes there, or any other person. For example, a property dispute can also go there, a custody issue can go there, many things. So they go there without filing a suit in the court. And mandatory, where the court refers the case. Before the court examines the case and gives its judgment, the first thing the court does is to send it to their counsel for reconciliation, and if they reach a conciliation and reach an agreement, the court then enforces that agreement, and it is a binding judgment then. Of course, conciliation fails many times, but they said 97.5% cases are successful. And it reduces burden. Yes, and it reduces burden on the courts. So that is something, of course, which we lack here in Pakistan. With this, I conclude, and if there are